Hey everyone, welcome back to the How To channel. Today we are going to show you how to fix the issue of Android's app not installing. So let's get started. First, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is strong. If the connection is weak or unstable, then switch between Wi-Fi or mobile data to see if it resolves the problem. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection. Once your internet connection is strong, then open the Play Store and try installing the app. And if the app still won't install, then check if you have enough storage. For this, open the Settings app on your phone and then scroll down and click on Device Care or Storage. Then check your available storage space. If it's full, then remove unused apps or files to free up space. And after clearing some storage, go back to the Play Store and then again try installing the app. And if none of these steps work, then restarting your phone might fix the issue. And once your phone restarts, open the Play Store app and try installing the app again. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these steps helped you fix the issue of Android apps. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.